Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by isolating the problem: power, connection, and boot level response. First, unplug and replug the keyboard, swap USB ports, or replace batteries if wireless. Then restart and press Del or F2 to see if keys work in BIOS. If the keyboard responds before Windows loads, drivers or settings are the culprit. If it never responds, suspect hardware or USB controller faults. Once done, move into Windows and open Device Manager to continue diagnosis. You now fix software causes by addressing drivers and settings. Open Device Manager, right-click the keyboard device, choose Uninstall, then scan for hardware changes so Windows reinstalls drivers. Next, run the built-in keyboard troubleshooter and make sure filter keys is off in accessibility. These can block input. Update USB controller drivers and check regional keyboard layout to avoid mismapped keys. If a recent driver update broke things, roll back the driver and reboot to verify the keyboard returns to normal. You finish by eliminating persistent or rare faults with controlled fallbacks. Boot into safe mode to see if the keyboard works without third-party software. If it does, remove recently installed apps or drivers. Reset BIOS/UEFI to defaults if pre-boot input fails, and try a different cable or replacement keyboard to confirm hardware. If nothing helps, perform a system restore to a known good point, and only consider a clean OS reinstall after backing up data. Quick tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.